So today I'm just going to show you real quick how to make a announcer for any game or podcast that you want to make in Audacity. This is going to be real simple and it's only going to take a few seconds, so I'm going to try and make this quick for you. We're going to start off by recording something and leave about 4 seconds of silence in the end. So I'm going to start off by doing that. First blood! Double kill! Monster kill! Now, as you can see, it's done, and I've left about 4 seconds of silence in the end here. What we want to do is we want to mark these seconds of silence, and we want to go to Effects. After that, we're going to go to Noise Reduction, and then press Get Noise Profile. Want to press that, and you can delete the silence and mark the rest of the clip. You want to go to Effects, Noise Reduction again, but this time you want to press OK. So what we're doing now is we're adding a silent noise profile to the clip, and it's just going to calculate a few things. And I don't know if you can hear this, but I have a fan on in the background, and the noise profile is actually going to pick up that fan, and anytime that you hear something that resembles a fan in the clip, it's going to remove it, so it's going to sound a bit more studio-like this. First blood! Now, ignore the voice acting, just listen to the sound quality. Anyway, once we're done with that, we're going to press Effects, and we're going to go to Reverb. And Reverb is basically auto-tune for announcers. This is it. Like, this is all you need to do. Normally, you want to go to Manage, and you want to go to, like, presets, factory presets, and you want to play around with these, and then change them as you like. And I recommend doing that. But if you're lazy, like me, and if you have a voice that's kind of similar to me, then you can probably use my settings. And if you're having issues reading it from the YouTube, I'm going to read them out for you. I have a room size of 80, pre-delay of 10, reverbance of 40, damping of 100, tone low 100, tone high 80, wet gain -10, dry gain 3, and stereo with 70. Now, these are settings that work for my voice, and these are settings that I use, but I recommend just playing around with them, and anytime that you've changed the setting, just press the preview button, and you can probably find something that works for you as well. But I'm going to go ahead and apply these settings, and this is it. Like, this is done now. First blood! Double kill! But I want this announcer to sound like a Quake guy, you know. I want him to get you pumped in killing more people. So I'm going to go ahead and select the entire clip again. I'm going to go to Effects and go to Change Pitch. I'm just going with -10. And that's it. Like, I'm changing the pitch down by 10 and pressing OK. And this is basically the announcer that I use for my indie games. First blood! Double kill! Monster kill! And I think it's pretty close to the Quake announcer, if you ask me. Anyway, I hope this helps, and have a good day.